Just a year ago, I was trading a couple of accounts, and now I have over 70 live accounts with just over $100,000 in live capital, and I steadily make 2 to 3% a month. You're probably here for the same reason I started, so let me tell you what changed for me. Because nobody invested in me, nobody gave me the money, I didn't win the lottery, I don't even play, but one thing did change: my mindset around using the money I have and the trading robots I have. And the number one thing I realized I have to do is to reinvest all my profits into new live accounts. And if I go to the live results on the Algo Trading Space platform, you will see the column with the withdrawals we've made from every account. If I scroll down to the bottom, you will see that from the ones that are currently trading, we have over $20,000 of withdrawals. And what I was actually doing is to keep those profits on the side, and this month I reinvested all of them into new live accounts with Black Bull Markets, and I'll show you my email where I received the deposit confirmation where I have added to my wallet $19,384.10. All of the profits go into new accounts, and we've spent tremendous time of money and efforts with my team to test new expert advisors, to go through demo testing, back testing, AI analysis, whatever you can imagine, whatever is possible to find a good expert advisor. And most of those new accounts are already set up and they are trading live. So if I go back to the top of the table and arrange the accounts according to the days, you will see the ones that are trading the longest. But if I click one more time, you will see that we have plenty of new accounts that we just started, and there are more to show in the next days. But all of these are new expert advisors we just start trading on live accounts. And if you're a VIP member in our private Discord channel, you will get the trading updates on all accounts, all new expert advisors, and we update the community with every new change in the portfolio. The second thing that changed in my mindset is what I'm looking for. Before, I was focusing a lot on the individual EAs, and I was looking for new EAs no matter from where they come. But now I start to trust more and more certain vendors or developers that we have been trading with their expert advisors for quite a long time. And recently I started talking more about building trust in some of the EAs, but actually it's building trust from the people that wrote those codes, the traders that develop these EAs. And when I see more and more profitable expert advisors from one and the same vendor, whenever they launch a new one, I just start trading it. And such an example is the Smart Profit EA, which is from the same vendor, Robot Forex Pro, because we've been trading a couple of their EAs, such as the multipayer. You can see that I have this EA on a couple of accounts and it's profitable on all of them. We also have the Japan Strike, which is trading dollar yen very profitably for quite a long time, nearly a year, over 4% a month. We also have the Euro Stable from that vendor, which also has been profitable with over 3% a month. So we started testing the Smart Profit on a demo account, and I have the result right in here. This is the Space Tracker, and you can see that we've been trading the Smart Profit on a demo account with Black Bull Markets for over 185 days, and it executed 445 trades. There was a drawdown, but it was around 25%, which is just fine, and it makes an average of 2.3%. So when I have EAs from the same vendor that are already profitable, I am just more likely to start a new one. But of course, we go through the same test that we would test any new EA. So demo testing is on the table. We've backtested the EA and we started this live account that you can find at any moment on the algo trading space platform. Also, the vendor has track record, but unfortunately the live update is not checked, so I cannot fully depend on that, and especially when I see thousands of % gain, I am very skeptical about this track record, so I prefer to depend more on the demo results we have and on the live results we have ourselves, because that's the only source of real performance. And thanks to our VIP users, we have plenty of track records from real accounts on the website, because they also started using the space tracker. So here you can find many expert advisors with verified track records, and I keep an eye on this table daily as well. But what's important for me is actually my goal is very clear. I want to have not 70 where we are sitting right now, but 100 live accounts with individual EAs, and this will be our pool from where we can pick the top ones to put into bigger portfolio accounts. And we already started doing that. If I arrange the EAs according to the balance, you will see that we have a couple of premium portfolios, and this is where we've put the best of the best EAs together. And for example, the high risk one already makes above 10% a month if I just filter the track record. So that's a withdrawal, that's another withdrawal. If I filter the track records according to the dates that I select today, and I go back just, let's say, 1 month ago, for the last 1 month, this expert advisor made above $500, which is above 10%. It's just been trading an individual EA for quite a long time. That's why it's 4% here. But really putting the best of the best EAs together in one account is probably the optimal way you can trade with expert advisors. But before putting the EAs in bigger accounts, we want to make sure that they're trading at least for 6 months on live environments, so we build more and more trust in this EA. And before I share with you the number 3, I would like to ask you to check if you have subscribed to the channel, because our analytics show that most of you missed to subscribe. YouTube just recommends the videos on your home screen and you click and you watch it, but you missed to subscribe. If you want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate if you guys subscribe. So take a moment, it's a free action and it means the world to me. So thank you for that. At number 3, I fully accepted the idea to make 2 to 3% a month. The compounding effect of my portfolio will increase the capital over time, and I will show you some real numbers. So the portfolio I'm having right now of 71 accounts, and it is trading around $100,000 at the moment, makes somewhere between 2 to 3% a month. Now, if I show you this calculator, it clearly shows that if you start even with $10,000, let's say a well-diversified portfolio of 10 accounts, $1,000 each, and we have such on the website. We have put it some time ago, and I'm not sure if you're paying attention to it, but this example portfolio contains some of the best expert advisors, and it makes nearly 6% a month, not 2 or 3, 6%, and those accounts have been trading for quite a long time. A very well diversified portfolio between different assets and EAs. So if you make 2 to 3% or even 6%, just like our example portfolio does, in a couple of years your capital will just grow. Look at the numbers just after 5 years, and that's starting with $10,000. And what if you add monthly to this portfolio. The numbers just increase over time. But this is for the people with patience, right? Look at that. If you just add monthly 1.2k, and let's say after 6 years, you're having nearly 2 million of interest earned. That's unbelievable, but that's the compounding effect, guys. And even with my portfolio, but let's not go to 100,000. I have just 50,000 here. If I keep making 2% a month, so I'll decrease that number to 2, let's say 2.6. Let's see exactly how much the entire portfolio is doing on average. It is 2.6 indeed. What I have is great numbers, and that is without adding every month, which I usually do. My goal at the moment is around 5k every month to add to the portfolio. So let's say 4.9. You can see the numbers, and just in 10 years time, I am expecting great returns. And this is where most people lose money. They want to make quick profits. They are chasing 20 to 30 to 50% a month from algo trading and trading in general, which is not impossible, but you don't need it. If you accept the idea of 2 to 5% a month and you just keep diversifying your portfolio, increasing your capital over time, you will find yourself not on this side, but on this side, or even more. I'll be very happy to see you trading with a lot of EAs, a lot of capital. That will mean the world to me. So thank you guys for watching until the end of the video. Thanks for following myself and my team. I wish you safe trading. I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, check out this one on my side, because I explained how to build a diversified portfolio. But don't forget, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.